Hi guys, it's Nancy. You're going to be spending the day with me today. Today is Monday. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning. So as I do most mornings, I got up, I got coffee, I went out onto the balcony and watched the sunrise. I did a little bit of reading and a little bit of journaling. Then I had breakfast, which usually I have with my roommate, but she's not here right now, and I'm really sad about it. Okay, so just got out of the chapel. I'm walking across the street to school, and I'm gonna study here for a little bit, and then, just like I said, go to mass, go to class, and then we'll see what happens.
Why is everybody in this class? What's going on? In the name of the Father, and the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
On the grass.
Our Father, who art in heaven,
Hallowed be thy name.
who feared God and turned away from evil.
We are at Trader Joe's. Oh, by the way, introduce yourself. This is my roommate, Kate, who I didn't have breakfast with today.
Also, we're in the middle of the aisle. We are in the middle of the aisle, and we're also vlogging in a store, so that's really fun. Never thought that would happen. What are your secrets?
Oh, for shopping?
Yeah. What are your tips? College shopping tips.
Get things that you can make with lots of things.
Cool.
So like basic ingredients that you can make into lots of different meals. Get things that you like to eat and not just things that you wish you liked to eat, because you won't eat them. Okay, wait, also last tip. Get things that you know you have a really busy schedule. Like you don't come home until late at night. Don't get a lot of ingredients that take hours of preparation unless you have a crock pot, because you
Even an
will
hour.
you will not make a meal, and then you'll just end up either buying something crappy or eating snacks. Yeah, those are the tips.
All right, great. Wisdom from Nancy. And we will,
We'll get back to you.
we'll come back. Hey guys, welcome to
Hey, we're back.
the nighttime vlog.
God.
Nice.
We're here with Andrew, and in the
guys.
background we have Josiah and Julius, who I don't know what they're talking about. I'm not sure if we want to know what they're talking about.
Probably not. This is the perch. Welcome to the perch.
Yeah.
Nancy, please elaborate for us.
Okay, this is the perch. This is one of the common rooms that we have here. As all of you know, it's pretty cool. It's pretty much the end of the day here, and I usually end my day if it's not too cold, which is not tonight. On the balcony, just kind of looking out here. Let's see. You can see, this is what I get to see from my apartment balcony, and it's one of the reasons I like being in the apartments better than the townhouses, just because you're higher up and you get to see more. Okay guys, so that's my day. Thanks for coming along with me. I hope you had fun watching. Hey, I'm back again. Side note, as per a friend of mine, Lucas's request, everyone needs to subscribe, comment, smash the like button, and tell me about your day. I just know I'm supposed to say smash that like button a little bit aggressively, so smash that like button.